Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am excited to bring something special to you all today. With the festive season around the corner, I've created a list of 5 luxurious items for her that you can give to a loved one or friend to sprinkle just a little luxury in this season of giving. So let's jump in and unwrap these finds together. Okay, so the first thing on my list is a luxury hand cream. Who wouldn't want a pampering experience? Usually every female has a hand cream within their bag just to keep their hands moisturized throughout the day. I feel like a luxury hand cream is the perfect blend of practicality and indulgence, making it the perfect gift to give to someone. And depending on the luxury brand that you're getting them from, they usually come nicely wrapped and packaged, making it the ultimate luxury experience. So the 2 luxury hand creams I chose to mention on today's video is the one from DIOR and Chanel. The one from DIOR is called Le BAUME, I believe. Sorry if I butchered that name up, but it is 1.7 ounces and it retails for $60. This hand cream is ultra compact and fashionable. I love the DIOR design on the hand cream itself. I think it is so pretty, and also it is multi-purpose. It's a hand cream and a lip balm, and you can use it on your body, making it a super practical gift to someone. And then the second option is the Chanel. It is called La CREME. It is also 1.7 ounces and it retails for $55. I actually went through like 3 bottles of this one and I really love it. So travel friendly, and it also keeps my hands very moisturized. What I like about these 2 options is if you buy them from the actual online store, so say if you want to get the DIOR one and you buy it off of the DIOR website, it comes really nicely packaged and very presentable. You could also leave a little message and they'll put it on a little note card, giving it to whoever you're gifting it to. So the second thing on the list is a luxury candle. They are aesthetically pleasing. They last longer because they tend to burn at a slower rate. They also can be used as a decorative element, adding a nice sophisticated touch to any room. You have the BYREDO candles, which I think are great. You can get the 70 gram, which retails for $45, or 240 grams for $94. They come in different scents and they do use black wax with a minimal label, giving them a really nice sleek look that will help elevate any room or space. They do have a burn time of 24 hours. Their glass jar is reusable. So once that candle is done burning through all of the wax, you can reuse the jar for something else. You can reuse it in your bathroom to hold any type of like cotton balls, cotton pads, or anything of that nature, or you can reuse it as a centerpiece somewhere in your room. Either way, I think this is a great option. Then you have the Jo Malone candles, which retails for $80 for 200 grams, and they have a 45-hour burn time. Now that is a long-lasting candle. They too have like an endless option of scents that you can choose from, and what's great about this is that you can actually engrave a message or someone's initials or someone's name on top of the lid only for $10, which brings the total to $90, and that still keeps you under $100. And just like the BYREDO candles, I think the Jo Malone candles, their jars are reusable as well, so making it a really nice gift to give to someone. So next on the list is something that you would give to any of your makeup lovers. These are just luxury makeup gift sets that I think are great for gift giving. And luxury makeup usually tends to bring that high quality that we're all looking for, especially during the seasons when we want to glam up our face. So I think this is like a great gift to give. So if you go into Sephora, there's a lot of sets that are floating around, but the ones that I'm going to mention is the YSL Mini Lash Clash Mascara with their lipstick set. I think this is such a great gift. It only retails for $35 and it includes a mini mascara, 2 lipsticks, and a YSL pouch. For that value, you're getting a great deal. And the second one I want to talk about is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip and Cheek Secret Set, and it only retails for $54. This one includes a full-size lipstick, a lip liner, a lip gloss, and a beauty wand. I think for $54, this is such a steal. I'm sure if you give any of these two to anyone, they would love it. And because these are luxury makeup, they are aesthetically pleasing. For example, the YSL lipsticks, they are just so cute and pretty. They just make fabulous gifts. Next up are luxury fragrances. I think that luxury fragrances bring elegance and sophistication. They're usually wrapped in really nice crafted, beautiful bottles. And they tend to be uniquely crafted scents, making them a luxurious addition to anyone's collection. My first pick is the YSL Libre Eau de Parfum, and it retails for $95 for the 30 ml bottle, and I just love this fragrance. It is so bold, so feminine, and it is a very long-lasting fragrance. It's a really bold floral scent with notes of musk and vanilla. It's just a very unique scent, and I think I'm just always gonna have this in my collection. I just love wearing it. It just makes me feel so feminine, so powerful, so bold. So I think this would be such a great gift to give to anyone. So far, everyone who's smelled it that I know of, they just always fall in love with it. But this is a very, very unique smell and makes a really nice gift. The next pick is the Carolina Herrera perfume. It retails for $83, and also it is the 30 ml. This one I don't have, but I did smell it, and I really do like the smell of this. It's richly fragrant with tonka, almond, and tuberose. It is such a bright and feminine smell, and the stiletto heel bottle is just so gorgeous and sexy. Just to have it on your dresser, I think it makes a nice decorative piece. So this could be multi-purpose as well. It could be a decorative piece and also be such a wonderful scent. The last thing on my list, but not the least, is jewelry. Jewelry brings a very sentimental value, making it very meaningful, and very well chosen pieces are timeless and can last through generations. My first pick that I'm going to mention is the MEJURI Lotus necklace, and it retails for $98. It is made with white sapphire and gold vermeil. Now, gold vermeil is a thicker layer of gold, and that makes it last longer and it doesn't tarnish as easily. I would consider this a timeless piece because of its simplicity. So you can dress it up, dress it down. It is a very versatile. My next pick is their tube medium hoops, and they retail for $58. And this too also comes in gold vermeil, and they do have the option of silver. I think this is such a good gift because hoops are so timeless, especially in this size. I think most girls have medium hoops in their collection. They're like an everyday throw-on type of vibe. So I think this would be just perfect to just gift someone, especially because it lasts so long. So it is such a really nice, sentimental, and thoughtful gift to give to someone. Okay guys, so that wraps it up for this gift guide. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that I gave you guys some ideas to give to your loved ones. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for watching up until the end. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you subscribe and leave a like. And for those of you who are tuning in again, thank you so much, and we'll see each other next time. Bye.